OMG guys, welcome back to this video. So let's start unboxing all I got this week as an influencer. So this is all I've gotten this week. Today is Wednesday. I haven't really make any advert video, so here are all the package that are waiting for me to make video. Anyway, I opened this already. Here is a pair of stockings. Yeah, socks. It's a pair of stockings. Okay, this is a clothes. Oh, okay, this is also clothes. Oh, with their account. Alright, these are also clothes. Okay, this is a pants and a trouser, yeah, and a bag. These clothes as well. And some accessories. This is also a cloth. My goodness. This is a blanket, a spring blanket for the spring. You know, weather is not really that cold yet. It's beginning to get cold. Here's the shoe. I think it's a cloth. Oof. Can I use hand to open this? This one is very strong. Ay! Don't know about this. Okay, here's another pen. Here's another pen. And here's another package as well. That's all I've got since this week. Today is Wednesday. Guys, welcome back again. So this week, today is Friday, and yeah, I did unboxing on Wednesday. From Wednesday till now, this is all I have gotten as an influencer. Anyway, I don't know why I'm laughing. I already opened some that I'm so excited about, which is these perfumes. The perfumes that I have there, I already opened them. You know, I couldn't wait for the unboxing video. So like this perfume, I unboxed it already. You guys, you know this perfume now. This is a viral perfume, so I believe everyone knows this perfume. So I already unboxed this, yeah. But yeah, I have to keep it to use it to make content that that made me receive this. Yeah, and I also received this this perfume as well. I believe a lot of people know this perfume. So I got this as well. Yeah, I opened these ones already because I couldn't wait for this video. I just needed to, you know, I want to perceive how it feels. And I also received this perfume as well. And you guys, pardon me. This is how the perfume looks. Smells so amazing, you guys. Anyway, let's move over to the next item. I also opened these ones as well. I already opened these ones. Here are the ones I received since on Wednesday till now. Okay, here is a set of cooking spoons. Here is some items, some towels. What is this? I don't really know. I can't remember what is this, but I'll figure it out later. So let's see what we've got here. Oh, okay. Yeah, I got some things here. So yeah, this is what I got here. Let's see what is here. Okay, this is another item. Oh, well, I think Chupete is here. Come and check it. Maybe it's something that could damage. That's how the package is. So I also got this here. I don't know what these are. Let me open it and see.
Baby, are you scared of the Chupete? Baby. Yes, baby's very good.
Oh, okay. Now I know what is here. Now I know. Yeah. Let me also check what we have in here. What is this? Oh, okay.
What tablet is gone? And now I don't know where it sits. This is on it sits. Baby, what has lost in me?
This food processor I got here. So I got as well. You guys, this food processor is very strong and nice. It came with two these things. Anyway, if you want to see all these things, you can as well go to my TikTok page. You'll see all these items. Or if you like any of them, you want to buy it, you can go to my TikTok. You see them all here. Or we put Chupete in baby's mouth.
I thought this was inside.
So let's see what we got to this big. Okay, I think I know what this is. This is wipe, baby wipe. Oh, yeah. You see how it's this baby wipe. It came two packs. Oh yeah. You see it?
Mommy,
Yeah.
baby's kissing me in now.
Put the Chupete in her mouth.
Not just crying all the time.
So this is baby pampers for my baby as well. Anyway, yes, so that is all I've got. That's all I've got. Okay, I still even have one pack here. I don't know what this is. Oh yeah, let's check.
Baby's crying for food.
Oh, okay, yeah. I got this Arabic perfume oil. That's all I've got, guys. Bye for now.
Bye, so that